welcome back to my channel of stuff and things. I'm excited, if you can't tell. I also have new hair. It's pink now. My Finfolk tail is here. I'm so happy. I'm just gonna open the box. I'm so excited. I'm not ready to open the box yet. I'm just. I don't think I have the right Monofin for it. So I'm not gonna be swimming in it anytime soon. But I mean, COVID's still here, so probably not gonna be going out to anywhere to swim. Plus, it's cold in Delaware at the moment. But, oh. Okay. Please don't look at my address. Please. My goodness. Look at this amazing green bubble wrap that I'm totally not going to use when I move. Because, you know, we're house hunting and it can come in handy. Oh my god. Are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. I've been waiting so long patiently. Put that over here so I don't accidentally stab myself. Oh my god. Look at the colors! And it has the little hippie bits! Oh my gosh! My receipt! That over there. Look at the paper. Even the paper's so pretty. Congratulations, you are now a Finfolk mermaid, merman, and the owner of your very own Finfolk fabric tail. Before you dive in, we have some tips and tricks to help you enjoy your fabric tail safely and comfortably for years to come. I'm just going to skim through this quick. Okay, so it's probably gonna have to sit since it was cold outside before I can put it on. But look, just look at the colors so far. Okay, I'm just gonna take this bad boy out. I'm a Finfolk mermaid. Thank you, Finfolk. Oh my gosh. It's like literally half the size of me. Just the fluke. And I'm gone. And I'm there. And I'm gone. I'm so dumb. Why do you watch me? Oh, so I got it in a size small. because my adjustments was like between an extra small, a small, and a medium. And I had no idea what to go with. Oh my goodness. COVID be over so I can go get swimming lessons. So I can be a better swimmer and practice swimming. Just like, I don't... Let me scooch in here for a second. My God. Look at just the detail in the scales. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. Look at it. And it's so soft. Okay. I really want to try it on. Let's try to find the zipper. It says hidden zipper in the side. Haha! Zipper. Okay. So here's the vinyl. And it has the Velcro. I guess the old vinyl had snaps. I have no idea how to use this. This is my first Finfolk tail ever, and I'm still a noob, and the only Monofin I have at the moment is this monstrosity of the suntail Monofin. I want to get the Finnish shooter. I've heard it's really good. Okay, so I'm guessing take the vinyl. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do this off camera and figure this out because this is just gonna be, this is gonna take me a minute, and I'll be right back with the Monofin in. Okay, so I could not get the Suntail Monofin to work with the vinyl insert. I don't think it's meant to work with it. I have to look at their website, but I don't think that one works. So I'm probably going to be investing in a Finnish? A different Monofin. In the meantime, I'm thinking the Finnish foil for dry land shoots in the meantime until it's safe to swim in public pools and things again. But oh my gosh. Now wait. We're gonna try this. I just want to put it on even once. Just to say that I did. Ugh. Now wait. Oh my god, I have no idea what I'm doing. I got no clue. It's like putting on pantyhose, but more difficultly. Ah! Don't judge me. I can feel everyone judging me. I just want to put it on once, even if it's just my feetsies in the vinyl. That looks ridiculous with no Monofin, with that. But this is a whole workout. man pants. That would be really tight. Whew. Oh. Look how pretty it is though. This is so weird without a monofin in it. Oh my god, my hair is a disaster now. That's okay, you're not here for my hair. You're here for this. I definitely need a monofin. Okay. Seriously, I'm thinking maybe I need the extra small. This is huge on me. Like huge. Oh, but it's so pretty. It just feels so tight up here. Let's turn. This is so dumb. I am so dumb. Not the tail. The tail is beautiful. This is a whole workout, and I don't even have the monofin in. Maybe I'll mess with it later. See if I can get that. Monofin in. Maybe I just don't Velcro it shut. For picture purposes. Whew. Whole workout. Ugh. Out of 10. I love it. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to swim in it eventually. You guys have no idea. It's just so pretty. This is it. I can die happy now. Okay. Alright, so this is the end of the video. If you liked it, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. There's probably going to be more mermaid tail unboxings in the future. And more mermaid related things, so stay tuned. Also, I stream on Twitch Tuesday through Friday starting at 6 p.m. Sometimes a little earlier, sometimes a little later. I have a tiny child, as you can hear, so things fluctuate. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch. Be friends on my socials. Yeah, thank you for watching. Mwah. See you next time.